I feel like this might be a splash zone.
Yeah. Hang on a second. Come here. 1, 2, 3, jump. Sorry. Well, I'm just trying to keep you corralled over there. It's loving it. Is it like you in a swimming pool raining?
I have never seen this like ever in my entire life. Nathaniel, be careful.
Right there's good. Don't go farther. I got you.
Oh my
You're not
goodness.
supposed to be there. Look at it from the picture.
Oh my god. Hi. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. You blown bubbles.
I'm stare out that end.
Look at his butt.
Big guts in a kid.
Oh my god. It's the coolest thing ever. Oh my gosh.
You like them?